everyone and welcome back. Today we are doing another Dollar Tree wood DIY. So if you have not seen these cute little crates from Dollar Tree, they are so adorable and they make for the best crafts. So in this video, I'm going to show you two projects with those little crates, and then I'm also going to show you a super random DIY that I thought of. It was something I needed. I've been thinking of a way to store this item for a while, and this just kind of popped into my head. I was going through all of my craft stuff that I have, and I found these items and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make this. So the very last one is super duper random, but if you guys are new, please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get into it.
So the first thing I'm going to do is I have 5 of these little crates, and I'm going to paint them all the same color, and I'm going to take a combination of this black and this brown paint. They're both from Dollar Tree, and what I like to do is mix them with a little bit of water, and it just creates the perfect little stain color. So I'm just going to mix this all together and paint all 5 of the crates. While those are drying, you're going to take these bamboo skewers from Dollar Tree as well, and I'm going to take 2 of these and go ahead and cut the bottom parts off because those are pointy, and I'm going to cut them into pieces probably about 12 to 14 inches. It just depends on how you want the little crates spaced out, but I'm going to go ahead and cut these into pieces, and you're going to need 6 of them total. And then once you get those all cut, I'm going to paint them with that same black paint. Now once those are all dry, we are going to glue them onto the little crates. So I'm just taking a little bit of glue on the side, and I'm going to glue the first one, and don't worry about the bottom not being painted on this crate. We will paint the other ones later, but the bottom one doesn't matter. So then you're going to go ahead and glue another one of the sticks on the other side, and then you're going to attach the other 2 crates. It just depends on how far apart you want them spaced. Mine are probably about 4 inches apart. So just however, like how high you want them to be. And then once you get these all attached, once you get the 2 on that side, you're going to attach the other 2 on the other side. Now I'm going to just sand the tops of these just a bit so they're not so sharp or pointy, and then you can go ahead and touch up the paint on everything. So I'm going to go back through and touch up the brown paint a bit, and then paint the bottom of the top 2 crates, and then also touch up the black paint as well. And this is how this one turned out. I think it's so cute. I ended up putting my K-cups in it, and it doesn't hold a ton, but I just think it's so cute. And what I would love to do is I found these little chalkboard clips from Dollar Tree, and I would like to do a little herb garden here in the kitchen and maybe plant some mint or basil or something like that. So that is my plan to do with this. I think that would look really cute, but I just love how this one turned out. Okay, for this next one, you're going to need 2 of the little crates. You could absolutely you could glue maybe 3 or 4 of them together if you'd like, but I just did 2, and I'm just going to attach them with my hot glue. And then I'm taking this little floral foam piece, and I'm just going to cut it to size to fit into the little crates, and then we will add some flowers. And I'm not sure if this little foam piece is from Dollar Tree. I don't think it is. I want to say it's from Hobby Lobby, but Dollar Tree does carry them, but I have not seen them at my Dollar Tree for a long time. So once you get those all fit in there, I'm going to take these 3 little bunches from Dollar Tree. I bought 2 of the peach ones and then 1 white one, and I'm just going to cut them off of the stems and then start placing them into the little foam. And that is it for this one. I love how you can trade out the flowers for every season and kind of do whatever flowers you want. I have some lavender pieces that I might put in there like for the summertime, but this one was super easy and quick to make. All right, for this last one, I'm taking this plate that I've used for a previous project and I'm just going to sand it a little bit and paint it with this white chalk paint. And then I'm also going to be taking one of these bamboo skewers and cutting it into pieces about 12 to 14 inches. I'm going to need 3 of them. I originally cut 4, but I ended up only needing the 3 of them. So once you get those all cut, I'm just going to paint everything white. I'm just going to use the chalk paint on the skewers and the plate. Now I'm going to take my hot glue and just start gluing the little wood pieces together, and I just took those 2 and then glued the last one right on top so it's kind of like a little triangle, and then I'm going to place a little bit of glue in the center of the plate and attach that, and it kind of looks like a little paper towel holder, this is actually going to hold my ribbons. So once I get all the ribbon pieces on there, you're not even going to be able to see the wood skewers. So I'm just going to paint the bottom a little bit so that you can't see the hot glue. And then I'm just going to put my little ribbons on there. So I've always wanted a way to like kind of display these in my office, and I just hadn't thought of what to do yet, and I thought this would be perfect. It was super easy to make, and you could dress up that plate a little bit. You could put some rhinestones or glitter on it or whatever you would like. So like I said, this one was super duper random, but I really like how it turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, check out some more videos here, and we will see you all on my next video.